And jam is the #1 choice of hundreds more. There's a reason. Jam specializes in creating winning images for radio stations in every format and style.
You here, I've been waiting. This person here is not the same, baby. It's my mistake, holding on. Are you done now? Oh, ain't you? 'Cause I don't know what to change you when I. How'd I end up here with you? Left me all alone with this. And I'm over. Holding on. Are you done now? Oh, ain't you? 'Cause so. So, hit camera, I don't know what. When I'm the one who made you, ended up breaking.
Yes, I come. Oh, hello Natasha.
Good morning, Solange. Oh, sorry, it's still early.
Oh no, don't worry. I'm having breakfast.
I just wanted to leave this for you before to go to work. Can you do a review, please?
Oh, it's really big.
Oh, I don't let you say it, but don't worry. It'll pass. I played before.
This one?
Yes?
Oh, I hope you clean it.
Oh, no, this one is new.
Oh, not? It would have turned me on a lot if you had used it before me.
Oh, yes?
Yes. Too bad.
Oh, I hope you like it anyway.
Oh, don't worry about it. Given the size it is.
Oh, and then, otherwise, imagine I play with. That idea is making me hot. Oof. Ah, no, I'm going to bed for work. Thanks again for the YouTube hand.
You're welcome. Good luck. Bye. Hey! Oh, hello. Guess what? Natasha was coming and she's giving me this thing. So, unboxing today. Yes. Oh, it's really big.